Turbo coin is pumped upwards of 20% on the day and looking like it's up about 15% on the week. Should you load up on some Turbo token now? Welcome back to 99B YouTube channel. I'm your host Umar Khan, and today we're having a deep dive on Turbo token. As this token is pumping and gaining more and more popularity during this bull run, we're anticipating this could be a top crypto meme coin this bull run. Now, before we start the video, I want to ask if you haven't already, make sure you smash the subscribe button down below. And remember, like always, this is not financial advice, as I'm not a financial advisor. We see a very beautiful, healthy green chart. Turbo up 22% on the day. And we see cryptos for the top 5 and 24-hour ranking. Turbo's ranking in at number 2, which is pretty dang awesome. Up 25.9% just 6 hours ago. This is absolutely insane what's going on with Turbo. We can see also Finance Shots is listing Turbo with up to 100x leverage with $1,000 bonuses. So much cool things happening with Turbo. Let's talk all about it. Starting this off with the crypto market, guys. Market not looking hot. We're actually looking kind of bearish. We're currently in a 52 in terms of the fear and greed index, creeping slowly towards fear, as there has been a massive amount of sell-off. However, there's still opportunities to be made. In this case, we can see Turbo was up 20%. Right before pump, there's actually nosedived about 20%, which is absolutely insane. Talking about an opportunity, guys, I want to quickly highlight this project that's been going absolutely crazy, and this is Wiener AI. Wiener AI, part dog, part sausage, part AI trading bot. And one day in 3 hours, they're gonna have their next price increase. They've already raised $6 million in market cap, which is absolutely insane. This puppy is going insane. We're talking about a puppy. What does this puppy have to offer us? This puppy is a AI puppy that helps traders. What is Wiener AI? Despite its hilarious sausage exterior, Wiener AI is the pinnacle of AI trading technology with girthy predictive features. Wiener AI is a trader's best friend. So similarly how Turbo's an AI token in the sense that AI generated it, this is more of an AI enhanced token that's going to help you trade. So we can see AI enhanced trading, seamless sausage swap, zero fees, MEV protection, outsmart the market with WAI, Wiener AI predictive technology. So Wiener AI's predictive technology will combine user-friendly all interfaces allow you to instantly score your crypto markets with the hidden markets for those hidden gems. Ask Wiener AI to find you the next trade, and it delivers the market analysis to help you win more often. So it's a very cool token, guys, that's helping traders trade. So if you're a trader or want to get started in trader, here's your free trading assistant, essentially, right? A solid roadmap in place, guys, and they have staking as well, a white paper, and one day they're going to have their price hikes. If you want to load up now at the absolute lowest price, now is a chance to load up. Link in the description below. Even on Twitter, growing a massive community of over 14,000 followers, which is not too shabby, and massive milestone raising $6 million in the pre-sale. Now, I want to cover this one because it's an AI token, and so is Turbo in our case today. So I thought it combined very great. And if you would like pre-sales, that's a great opportunity. But let's go back to Turbo. So we see Turbo currently ranked 212 on CoinMarketCap. And in terms of the top meme coins, it's actually pretty high on that list. It's not top 10 territory just yet, but slowly climbing those ranks. We see up 3% on the hour, up 23% on the 24-hour, and up 16% on the 7-day. Market cap at $345 million. Very soon to flip Pep coin, which is great. Very soon to flip Mew as well, which is absolutely insane, and slowly climbing up the ranks to become a top meme coin in the mix. And we go to the actual chart, guys, we see some healthy growth. We go to the 1 week and we just see nice climbing of this loss over here. Just a couple days ago, we saw that nosedive about 15%, and it looks like we've recovered more than gracefully, breaking past the previous level, which currently looked like it was kind of just hovering in this level over here. But we did see a break past and go in the above region, and we're slowly and surely eliminating another zero, which is absolutely insane. We go to the 1 month, guys, we get a better picture of things. We saw it absolutely pumped, pull back a bit, pumped again, traded downwards for a bit, dumped, and then consolidated around this zone over here, pumped, and then downwards, and then we're pumping again. So it looks like this puppy might be ready to explode. I anticipate another dip before a massive spike. Like, even if we see something that happened in the charts like over here, it's gonna dip a bit before it pops off. It's very likely, because the candles have not been aggressively popping up just yet, I'd imagine a slight pullback. That's if you're gonna be buying in. Again, not financial advice. Turbo token, we can see over 65,000 followers over on X. People are bullish. Turbo's mission: no rug pulls and scams have plunged the crypto for too long. Turbo is different, owned by the people. It's our mission to make Turbo the #1 meme coin and transforms lives. Let's make this happen together. We see HBit also listed this, the Turbo revolution. Here's the thing, this is more than a meme coin, guys. They want it to be a revolution. They want to hype up the community and the followers. And what does it mean by made by the people? So essentially, a meme coin made by AI for the people. The creator had this bold experiment where he wanted to create a project using ChatGPT with a simple mission to create the next great meme coin, starting with a $69 budget. Turbo is now a decentralized community driven crypto adventure, and now the community basically owns this project. We see even in the technical analysis looking all right, or I should say looking great. Oscillars are in neutral, moving averages are in strong buy, giving us a total summary of buy, which is looking great. And even the news is pretty bullish about Turbo. We see Turbo in the news, Turbo price analysis, Turbo meme coin is mounting explosive comeback, Mega and Turbo. People are talking about Turbo everywhere, causing this puppy to pump. We're very excited to see what's going to come next for Turbo token, guys. So if you haven't loaded up a bag already, you might want to grab a bag. But like always, guys, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel. That's the video. Until next time, it's your friend Umar. Peace.